Big up Crosses TV.
One cross is TV, not to the blood clot and the
If I'm blood clot, colleague, when I stop size up on the blood clot, so when me a blood clot wife, and me got the big bomb clot trick. Me not get no $50, no $40, no $30. No boy can't buy me up for no 30, 40, and $50. And when stop passing the place with me here, me I tell you. Me tell you, I me know where what's about blood clot me. I me a disrespect her. Because she shouldn't pass her blood clot place with her. She don't know me from anywhere. Don't know me from anywhere. Huh? When she has sent out tough if you rub me, they don't know just that. When you come suck me, you come like yam me out and eat me. So when I'm pre bleed, you come yam out the command and so when I'm coming you come yam out the command and eat me. And that me have a blood clot, tell you no. You don't stop playing with me pan this, because I don't come for this pan this. You understand? Me come for have fun, for laugh, watch you no live and laugh and thing. Me not come and carry no news. I bring no blood clot problem. You understand? If you have a problem with blood clot, Tuffy and Brandon, you can get blood clot money. Only take it up with Brandon and Tuffy. Don't use my blood clot, you can never send again. Now, boy, for cuts for me. Because suck you no mama that me I tell you no. I'm tired of the world, and now play with me, because what want to think, say? Me Spanish, me can't blood clot war, you know. Me not afraid of prison, you know. Me not afraid of blood clot prison, me not afraid of the federal building, you know. Me can't blood clot war, but guess what? Me have a lot to lose. Me come to America to take on blood clot road. And that me come for them. Me not come for no careless argument like you know. Every day in a people business. Nah, make no sense. This and that. You see me come and beg cash up. You see me come beg blood clot money for me. Me hungry. Me have to sit down and work for my blood clot money. You stop drawing me on the fuckery. Why? Me no business. Yesterday I posted with it done. The one if it done and start again with me. So on the film, not the film. Me start a bomb buckler again with her. Huh? So I know I don't talk about that another thinking blood clot. I don't dance no blood clot, but me pay tough for rub up. Me have money for get tough. Me have money for waste. Huh? Waste argument with up. Me have up go through this blood clot already. And she come for me. She said for me so. Me come for blood clot. She. Me never tell her no pick up blood clot. So we don't know. What do you know upon this? So me never tell you. Me have to run out and rub hand for me. Me never tell him no for rub anybody for me. You go suck on the mama and leave me alone, no man. Me tired of no. I Brandon money I'm mad all no. I'm mad no. Cause the one that fight against dirty Jamaica no fight against each other. You know none of no fucking people them me tell you that pandis. You have to talk to me. You have to friend me. Remember say I work with Jamaican. The only thing you know if you do fight against each other and bring down each other. Me never see no other nation do that like you know. No other blood clot nation do that like you know. No other blood clot nation. Every brother to figure $50. What to do with you know? If I figure 20, what to do with blood clot you know? Huh? How the money on worth it? How no blood clot worth it? How no worth it? Huh? How no worth for the blood clot money that I want to know? You know worth it? You know stop calling me blood clot name. Today be the last day. You know stop calling me name, yeah? Me and Hope a war. Me not war with nobody else. Hope send for me. So me come back bomb clot for she. And that me say. So if I tell Tough if you rub me, you might get a barrel of clothes and shoes. It's okay. For disrespect people. Huh? Me never tell Tough never 1 year. Me have a bomb voice note. When Tough call me record her blood clot. Tell me I idiot girl. They can't keep me in this. Me not come in the Jamaican call if I make a problem. If Tough want to come and blood clot beg. What have to do with blood clot came? Well, suck on no mother and leave me alone no man. That me have to tell you no. So say don't pass your place with me you know. Cause me come for you. No give a fuck. Cause me tired right now. Me cup overflow. Every day some bullshit. Yeah, just me. Me ever ask you for rub up Tuesday? Me ever get 200 for rub in the blood clot body? When me up on your blood clot place, me ask you Tuesday who I trouble who send for you. Me never know say me I throw red off for Tuesday. Me not answer you cause me not send no blood clot drug Tuesday. I could never answer you. Me not say blood clot coke. Huh? Me not no gun. When I from upon this blood clot, me not like you know. Me not respect a lot of you know. You not idiot upon this. Huh? Huh? What are the pan? When I really blood clot the pan. If Tuffy want to come back the whole IG, can me stop her? If Tuffy want to cuss you, can me stop her? Huh? Can me blood clot stop her? Me don't know about you and Tuffy mix up Tuesday, that by 19 double at. Me don't know about Unuh and Dan mix up. You don't draw me night, you know, come in it. You see who me a war with? Sapphire and Hope. Me not war with nobody else. And them Tuffy call me name too. And that me a defend. And post them if you done. And me done and me mind my business and I do my work. She start with me again this morning. Why not talk about blood clot that? Why not split justice? What post time if you done, you say me done, me say to faith. Leave hope alone. Me God deal with her. And me gone to my job and do my work. She put up picture about me, you look like ants. Me I say no one I say why you trouble came for. When you go suck on the mama leave me alone, that me I say. Me no hear no now tell hope to stop it. Cause post tell them for done and Kim not post nothing. Huh? Think me I hear that girl about ya? The one that fit dead, you know, the one that go somewhere, you know. Me not beg no blood clot from me no know me. You understand? You don't know me. You don't know me and me don't know you. So to stop passing up disrespect with me. That because my man come here and play with you know. I'm him Kyla money. I'm supposed to give him and fuck out in the hole. Fuck out in the yes and fuck out in the hole. Me give out a relationship if you do that. Any big begging money, fuck out them blood clot pussy. To leak blood clot water. Cause when girl love beg man, I'm supposed to take them for food and fuck them out. But don't know. I wanna play with the blood clot man. What the fuck don't know? Huh? Remember you never know sir, when you run joke with Brandon, you never know this gonna reach you Susie. Huh? The whole of not play a game. You come suck me man. Stop calling me blood clot name no man. Log off of my short tail no man. Me not busy man and no fucking idiot mix up every day. Me have time for them, I have time for make money. Me have work for though. What call me name, I defend that. And that me say. She know how the fuck I live. The fuck don't know. Oh, Tani dead. One of the free fraggy. I don't see none of them go to courthouse for Tani. I don't see none of them send nothing for Tani pick there. But when they're the pan blood clot this there. You work for the federal building? You work for the feds? After you want to talk in the blood clot thing, she not talking to her mouth. She want to sit down and lock blood clot tail and I chat the people them. I was not there when them chat the people them. Huh? But I know when them call me record them blood clot, that me do with them. Because nobody mix me in a blood clot for rain. That me say. Huh? When I two bomb clot face, when you take up on out of it, no one on the pan phone with her inbox and I tell her this, I don't believe her, I don't come by me, no, I don't believe her. Look and post. Post me up on live and post. Telling Tuffy for rope up. And then she say post Tuffy alive, then she big up Tuffy. Oh, me if you follow, you know. The one that see that blood clot, mad people on this blood clot. That's why I'm staying on my bomb clot and I'm watching from a distance. You can't trick me. You can't blood clot trick me. Hey, Brandon and Tuffy, want rub on nasty thinking that I'm not play with them. I'm not play with them and make fun with them. Me not play with no big pussy girl pan this and no pussy boy. Huh? Karen me avoid, you know. Because from there, I see a true word about Tani dead and Tani dead. Karen come yam me out. Come suck me because I don't know nothing about me. You just want to be nothing every mix up. Oh, you just want to be people business. And on the business at home rotting. That body for skeleton on the blood clot closet. Go clean out on the blood clot house and take out the matter out on the blood clot. Yeah. That me want to tell you what I know. And wake up. It's a new fucking word this. And leg off of my bumbo class short tail. You hear me? I tell you, if coffee want cuss on and me know. I know my business that me can't tell you what to do. Me not tough from the blood clot what to tell you what to do. Me a tough mother, me a tough boss. Huh? Me a tough boss. Tough work and meet me. You don't stop calling me name here. That me I tell you now. And me no want to not chat to me. Me no want to someone to my morning. Because anyway, me a block someone from my blood clot page. Because I mix up on two face. Fuck don't know. Huh? But me I laugh. Me ask you, Susie, you not play because you say you're bad. Me go and the page and say, Susie, how you talk to trouble, you not answer me. You want to say you never see the comment? You never see it? When anybody come over and say you say I-95, that's where everybody click and say, Bumbo Clot, I wish I talk about. And that's how I start disrespecting at the background, Susie. Yeah. Alright? So no worse than a lane when you can't back up the one want a piece of the war and you don't know if you enter the blood clot war. The one want a piece of the war and you don't know if you enter the pussy clot war. The one want a piece of the war and you don't know if you enter into the war. The one on a pussy wall upon this. Pussy wall. Because Susie, me never yet inbox you, me never call my phone. Me and you never talk on phone yet. You come on phone live and we all the reason we laugh like everybody. So all you if you pass your blood clot, please send me to pick side. Me to pick side, woman, idiot woman. Me to pick side. Me ever tell if you go cuss who up, Susie. I thought me a blood clot talk about. Me ever be $200 for pay anybody, cuss anybody. You know, say no dunks no blood clot. You know, act like you no have sense and you no dumb no blood clot, you no draw blood clot cat upon people. Come suck me. And leg off my bumbo clot shirt tail.